So we are in the process of learning about taking a drone with you on vacation. We want to try to bring our drone with us on our cruise. And of course, there's some different requirements like filing for a permit and all these other stuff. Well, we just got our drone today and we actually have to register it. And in order to register it and get everything up and running, we actually have to take a training course as a pilot of a drone. So I want to read just like this first paragraph to you on the welcome page. So it says, this is a mouthful, just the first little bit. Welcome to the Recreational UAS Safety Test Trust. This is the Federal Aviation Administration's course for those who intend to operate unmanned aircraft systems, commonly called drones, under the exception for limited recreational operations of unmanned aircraft, 49 states code 44809. So that is literally just the first little paragraph. So you guys getting a drone and operating it, not just here stateside, but especially going overseas, it is a task. So, but one we are prepared for, and I'm super excited to get to try out.